Okay, so how to install GCC or C compiler on your Raspberry Pi, and yeah, let's start it. So in order to install this, you're gonna type sudo apt install GCC or something like that, and GCC sudo apt install GCC, and clear that, and you type gcc.version, and yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna put the command on the description so you can use it. And you know what, touch main.c clear ls nano main.c, and I'm gonna paste some hello world anyway. Copy that, and you know what, paste it on here. Control X, yes, ls, so gcc main.c here ls, so current directory a.out, and yeah, hello world. Okay, so that's how you're gonna install it. So very straightforward, and yeah, see you in the next video.